Okay, this is a Holika Holika Korean brand eyeshadow, and it's in the shade Molten Americano. But I did get mine in Asia, where I live, and the coloring names might be different from country to country. They often are. So this is what it looks like. It's a very dark color with a very, very subtle sheen, but I would call this a matte. And this color is perfect for me. It's very neutral, very dark, just what I was looking for. However, it's not very pigmented, so I had to go in and out several times to build up the shade in my eyes, which I'll show you shortly, but I did get the effect I wanted in the end. So as you can see here, I've put on the darker shade to angle up, and actually on camera, this looks pretty dark. This lighting's not ideal, but I assure you that this, for the color that it's giving off in this tray here, you would think this would be a very dark color, but it took me a while to achieve this, what I still think is like a medium brown. So not ideal if you know how to put on makeup and you want a quicker makeup process. But again, the texture is soft. If you don't mind spending an extra maybe minute to sort of layer it and blend it in, it's quite nice. And the texture here is very soft and buttery, and they're not very pricey, so I'm quite pleased. Holika Holika.